Hello, agency owner here. Today I'm going to show you how we used CMO on the go to actually upsell to an existing client. Now this client is based in UAE and has been working with us for the last 2 years, primarily for social media marketing, including paid advertisement. This time around, we quickly raised the concern that her sales were not the same as they were in the previous 2 years, especially during the holiday season. We also showcased our ad and our social media performance to indicate that the issue lay somewhere else. So, we quickly pulled up CMO on the go, particularly the website and the SEO audit section, selected all of these options, including recommendations, and then we were able to showcase it to her that the issue actually was with her SEO performance, which was something that we were not doing for her. So if you look at her SEO performance, you can see that her website is not showing up for AI. The face of search is changing. People are searching more and more through LLM such as ChatGPT instead of going to Google directly. So this resulted in loss of revenue and lesser sales as compared to the previous years. CMO on the go also quickly identified what were the top 3 issues that need to be fixed immediately, such as multiple conflicting title tags, no H1 heading, and of course, AI discoverability was not set up. Similarly, in the what needs fixing section, it's also indicated that the organic traffic was much lower as the industry benchmarks. Other than that, it's also indicated again the same Geo LLM issue as well as issues with her technical SEO. Then we quickly opened up the recommendation section, which highlighted what were the issues that she was facing and how would they need to be fixed. And then again, further SEO funnel recommendations. We quickly downloaded this report using this very handy download section that we have and sent this to our client, as a result of which we have managed to double our retainer by now also including SEO and Geo as part of the services for this particular client. Thank you so much.